Hi, my name's Hal Hopper, Harry. Call me Harry. I'm an English language teacher at Toowoomba in Queensland. I've been asked to try and help you with some of your English language, in particular your listening skills and pronunciation. So, only too happy to do that. I assume that you have the letters that I've sent and that you have them in front of you and that you've been able to go through them, because I'll be reading from those letters and then explaining some of the detail that needs to be explained. So let's get started. I received a note suggesting some of the problems, but first of all I need to tell you about some facts about English that you may not know. First of all, that the language, English language, has only 26 symbols to express the whole language. Now, what we do is we combine all those symbols together in various ways to make 42 sounds. 42 sounds in the phonics system I use, which is called Phonics. It's a Christian-based phonics program, and you can look it up on the website, and I'd really encourage you to do that. Phonics. Phonics in Google, and you will find your way to the website. Now, so we've got 26 letters of the alphabet combined together in various ways to make 42 sounds. But there are 75 spellings of those sounds. It's a problem. Well, but I already know how to do it, it's your problem. That's a joke. Okay, so why phonics? Well, reading from our notes, which I hope you have, it's headed Why Phonics, and I'll hold it up in front of you. That part there that says Why Phonics. Whoops, probably back to front. There we are. Now, the written symbol of an English word has no picture resemblance like Chinese in the way that you write their little pictures, but we don't have that. So the symbols we use for, say, the word hand doesn't look like a hand. So that's a problem. So we have to learn to interpret the symbols and what they mean in the sounds. Now, the phonics program that we use will teach you to listen and speak and read and write. Because you see, we don't speak, we don't hear, we don't write the letter names, we write the sounds. So the alphabet's no good to you, except for 5 letters of the alphabet. And those 5 form part of the 6 vowels. Actually, it's the 6 letters of the alphabet. Well, you know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels, but so is Y. The letter Y can be a consonant. It is also used for 2 vowels. Y, one is a consonant, Y sound, yes, yesterday, yell, yelp. Y2 is an E sound. E makes an E sound, Y2. So that would be marry, Harry. That's me. Harry, marry, Harry. Carry. So anything with a Y on the end, then we say the E sound. Well, that's a consonant, vowel Y, vowel Y. And the other vowel Y is the I sound, I. So any word you see with a Y on it that has the I sound, like my, try, fly. And buy, bicycle, buy. So you may have learnt that there are only five vowels in the English language. That's not true. There are actually 6, because Y can have 2 sounds. It can be E or I. So how many sounds of Y are there? The letter Y? Yes, there are 3 sounds. Y, E, I. Y is Y1, E is Y2, and I is Y3. Y, E, I. So that's the vowel Y. Now, the other vowels you know as A, E, I, O, U. But that's only 1/6, a little bit, 1/6 of the story.